You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Well, we are looking at how to say games in French. We'll be looking at how to say more useful vocabularies. For example, that's toys in French. But let's focus on games. How do you say it? Jeu. Je. So the X is silent, of course, as pretty much as at the end of a word in French. And then it's the E sound that you know probably from French. Je. Je. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct French pronunciations and free. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.